In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix can't turn off airplane mode in Windows 10. So friends, if you are facing issues and error to turn off airplane mode and you are not able, so try some method like in some laptop you will see in Action Center you can turn on and off by clicking on airplane icon. As we can see here, flight mode. So just turn on and turn off. And in some laptop like Dell, you will see the option FN key and print screen key. So you need to click both, press both together, FN key and print screen key. So it will work. And still friends, you are facing error and you can't able to turn off airplane mode. So try this second method. Click on start and type services. Open services. Scroll down and you will see option radio management service. Double click on it. Start a type as manual, so select automatic, then apply, then OK, and right click on it. Click on restart. And friends, still you are facing error and this method not work, so try second method. Click on start and type device manager. Open device manager. Now in here you need to expand network adapter. Now right click on your wireless network adapter, then click on properties, click on power management. Now you need to unselect allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, so uncheck this one, then click on OK and close it and restart your PC. Friends, still you are facing error, so try last method. Click on start, then settings, and in here click on network and internet. Click on flight mode and here you need to turn on and turn off. If you want to turn off, so try from here and close it. So hopefully friends, by using this simple and very easy method, this airplane mode can't turn off issues will be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.